Make a great choice today with the 2017 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.